Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of Alchemix, the innovative decentralized finance platform that combines borrowing and passive income like never before. Alchemix lets you access self-repaying loans by collateralizing your crypto assets and automating the repayment process through its groundbreaking technology. To start, navigate to the Alchemix website. The intuitive dashboard allows you to explore lending and earning options. Connect your crypto wallet seamlessly. Alchemix supports popular wallets like MetaMask, making integration effortless. Once your wallet is linked, explore the Vault section, where you can deposit stable coins like DI to begin earning yield. Alchemix uses deposited funds to generate yield in integrated DeFi protocols, automatically paying off your loan over time. This means you can borrow funds upfront while your collateral earns a return, creating a self-repaying mechanism. The loan-to-value ratios and repayment options are displayed clearly, ensuring you have full transparency. When you're ready to borrow, select the amount you want to withdraw. The system calculates your borrow limit and repayment schedule based on the yield generated by your deposit. The interface provides real-time insights into your earnings and loan balance. You can withdraw the borrowed funds directly to your connected wallet or reinvest them into other DeFi opportunities for compounding growth. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Alchemix platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Alchemix and start earning while taking advantage of the self-repaying loan mechanism. Sign up at https://lnk.do/jquucoif to claim your bonus and start maximizing your crypto assets today. One of the standout features of Alchemix is the flexibility to repay manually if desired or let the system handle it autonomously. Withdrawals are straightforward and can be managed directly from the dashboard. Security is paramount. Alchemix employs smart contracts audited by reputable firms to ensure the safety of your funds. Unlock financial freedom with Alchemix. Borrow, earn, and enjoy the future of decentralized finance. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a like to stay updated on the best DeFi tools and strategies.